Talking about your daily routine is one of the most common and useful topics in English. When people meet for the first time, they often ask simple questions like, "What do you do every day?" Or, "What is your routine like?" Being able to talk about your daily life helps you communicate better, build confidence, and sound more natural in English. In this story, we will talk about daily routines in detail, from morning to night using clear American English. Let us begin with the morning because every day starts there. Most people begin their day in the morning. The exact time depends on their job, school, or lifestyle. Some people wake up very early while others wake up late. For example, a factory worker might wake up at 5 in the morning while a college student might wake up at 8 or 9. No matter the time, the first thing many people do is wake up to an alarm. The alarm clock rings and they slowly open their eyes. Some people feel energetic right away, but many feel sleepy and tired. After waking up, most people get out of bed. Some stretch their arms and legs to wake their body. Others check their phone first. They look at messages, social media, or the weather. Checking the phone has become a common part of the morning routine for many people in the United States. However, some people try to avoid their phone early in the morning to start the day calmly. Next, people usually go to the bathroom. They brush their teeth, wash their face, and sometimes take a shower. Brushing teeth is an important daily habit, and most Americans do it at least twice a day, once in the morning and once at night. Taking a shower in the morning helps people feel fresh and ready for the day. Some people prefer hot showers, while others like cold or warm showers. After getting ready, people get dressed. They choose clothes based on the weather, their job, or their plans. Someone who works in an office may wear formal clothes, such as a shirt and pants, while someone who works from home may wear casual clothes like a t-shirt and jeans. Students choose comfortable clothes for school, and athletes wear sports clothes. Breakfast is the next important part of the morning routine. Some people eat a big breakfast while others eat something small or skip breakfast completely. In the United States, common breakfast foods include eggs, toast, cereal, oatmeal, pancakes, and fruit. Many people also drink coffee or tea in the morning. Coffee is especially popular in American daily routines. Some people say they cannot start their day without coffee. After breakfast, people prepare to leave home or start work. Those who work outside the home may commute to work. Commuting means traveling from home to work. Some people drive a car, others take a bus or train, and some walk or ride a bicycle. The commute time can be short or long. In big cities, commuting can take an hour or more, while in small towns it may take only 10 or 15 minutes. People who work from home have a different routine. They may walk to their home office, turn on their computer, and start working right away. Working from home has become more common in recent years, especially for office jobs. It saves time and allows people to be more flexible with their daily schedule. Once the workday begins, people focus on their tasks. A typical workday in the United States starts around 9 in the morning and ends around 5 in the evening. During this time, people attend meetings, answer emails, make phone calls, and complete their work. Students attend classes, listen to teachers, take notes, and do assignments. Most people take a lunch break around noon or early afternoon. Lunch is usually lighter than dinner. Common lunch foods include sandwiches, salads, soup, rice, pasta, or leftovers from dinner. Some people eat lunch at work or school, while others go out to eat with coworkers or friends. Lunch breaks are also a time to relax, talk, or check phones.